I'm Lynn, and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. Arnie's back to removing manure today.
So lambs got new bedding tonight. Haven't had time yet. I gotta catch up. I'm just trying to catch up here. Come on, let's go. I think we're gonna move that Dorset group around the corner into this new pen.
Let's get started.
Putting some bedding out today for the lambs. You don't like that? Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. So we'll do the other side too. I got a bit of bedding there. Get it out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Chill. Come on. Chill. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Move. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, guys. Come on, get back here. Come on, get back. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. So lock these guys back. We're going to try to start getting this manure pack out of here. And there's quite a bit of manure here.
Arnie's back to removing manure today. We're trying to clean out the coverall so that the last batches of lambs can be moved over shortly.
So just gave him a new bale of hay. And what we're doing today is we cleaned out that manure pack all the way up to here. I'm running out of time. We're going to finish that up tomorrow. Should take me 1 hour to finish that. And these ewes are going to end up in another barn. We're going to have to move these sheep tomorrow. So right now I'm just doing chores. I'm getting everybody fed, so. So clean this out today. And I have 1 more hour to go back there. Tomorrow I can't get it done today. And these are all our replacement ewe lambs. Dorsets and Suffolks. Pretty nice sheep, I think. So these guys will not have lambs until next year. Well, no. They'll have lambs next Christmas. So, they're just being raised up right now. I think there's 90 of them here. Maybe, a little under 90. That Dorset has a little too much wool on the face. Looks like a Southdown. Anyways, and then that's what I was working at today, because we got to get lambs in here. So, this is the second day for these lambs, and they seem to be pretty happy. checking out those new feet. Anyways, so haven't got a creep area hooked up yet, but I'm just trying to catch up. So we're done this barn tonight. They got grain, they got new hay, and the lights stay on tonight. So gonna move off to another barn. So all the lambs got new bedding tonight. Feeling pretty good. So still gonna move that I'm still gonna move that blue feeder up to the front. I'm just haven't had time yet. I gotta catch up. I'm just trying to catch up here. So I'm extremely busy. Here they come. Dun, 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 dun. Doris is looking good. So, gotta get this set up. I think tonight I'll probably come back here at 9 o'clock and feed them another bale of hay. This hay will be gone by 9. The Dorses are definitely better runners. Trying to catch up there. They love that new bedding, eh? I know it's just hay we use for bedding, but they like it. It's nice and clean and dry. Yeah, I got a ewe right there that has a bad case of mastitis. I don't know how good her future is. I have her under my medication, and we're going to see what happens. So these are all the bottle babies. Oh, they're just having a mad half hour and now they quit. Anyways, that's all that's remaining from the pregnant group. It's really winding down really quick right now. Hey, Bobby. You got a fine looking little jacket there. Hey, Bob. I'll straighten it a little bit. Oh. Kind of a little hair trigger. Anyways. So these are the bottle babies back here. Lynn's got a bottle holder set up. And I'm going to shut the... Oh. Scotty's getting a little bit of heat from the engine. I'm going to shut this door for tonight. So, had a good day today. Got caught up with a lot of things. We're going to be moving sheep tomorrow. And there's Lynn's pet sheep. She wasn't feeling very good the first day, but she's feeling quite good now. She's eating. So, an hour ago we had that ewe there. She just had 2 nice lambs. She hasn't got a tattoo, but some of the sheep never got tattooed, so she might be a purebred, I'm not sure. But 2 real nice lambs. That little guy is nursing, hopefully. He's extremely small. These lambs were born last night, so they're almost 24 hours old. Got to give them a little bit of bedding, a little wet spot there. So, right now, I think I'm going to call this an evening. A real nice ewe lamb there, nice and boxy. I think this is March 8th. And yes, we still have the Christmas lights on yet. Oh. And the barn's still lit up too. I'm going to go in and have a nice supper with Lynn. Going to move some sheep today. I'm going to put the remainder of the two pregnant groups together on one side. So we're going to get these guys over. Come on. Come on. So. Come on. Shh. Come on. Come on. Come on. So that's all that's left of the pregnant sheep right now. Quite a few others aren't here yet, so I figure half of them will come in for sure. So they're all on one side now. And we're going to move all the replacement lambs into here. We'll just pull this pin. Move this open. And they should all run in here. Shut this off. So we're going to put them in here. And we're going to run them across the yard. Take my weapon with me. My little crook. Hopefully this is not too slippery. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. So we're just going to finish cleaning out this little section here. There's not too much manure in this section. And see if we can get some lambs over here today. So I don't know if you can see it. A little bit of manure there. Just clean out that section. Get some new straw in here. And get a load of lambs in here. So we got it all cleaned out. And we're going to get roll. These are a bunch of old bales. They're about 3 years old. We're going to roll them out for bedding. And cover the whole thing. That it's all dry for new lambs. So a little bedding left over, so I gave them some new bedding. I gave these guys some new bedding tonight. So this side's all ready to go. All bedded up. I think it's too late to move sheep today. Probably be moving sheep in the morning, maybe. We'll see what Lynn wants to do. I think we're gonna move that Dorset group around the corner into this new pen. And I think we're gonna keep all the Dorsets on one side. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this group of Dorsets around the corner here into this pen, and we're gonna keep all the Suffolks on one side because we have a group of Suffolks that have to come over right now. So we'll see what's happening. So we brought all the replacement lambs in this barn here. This is where we were lambing because we're running out of room. And you can see they hardly have enough space in the manger, but we'll have to make a do for now until we can move on a little bit and make some more space. And these are all the still the sheep that have lambs yet. I'm probably counting on about probably about 10 of these are probably open. But so this pen here is the only pen left to have lambs. She lost her lamb, so she shouldn't be here. So nobody's coming in tonight. They're quite big. Still have a sheep pregnant here yet. So these two are pregnant. This one's pregnant. She's still pregnant. She lost her lamb. She lost her lambs. Shouldn't be here. So anyways, it's the first night for these guys, so they're a little upset tonight. So